Hi YouTube! So in today's video, I'll be creating some DIY travel art supplies. On April 22nd, I'm headed to the East Coast for an adventurous 2 weeks. The first week being in New York City, and the second week in Cape Cod. I've been waiting for this moment to share these travel DIYs I've came up with. First, a watercolor set. I own so many travel watercolor sets, but it was hard to decide which to take. I eventually chose my Peerless watercolors because they're so light and I have a variety of colors. I got this kawaii clipboard from my local thrift store. I measured the dimensions of how I'm going to fit my palette, cut out a piece of every sheet color and glued it to one half of my clipboard. I had 60 colors to fit in, so each square measures 1 inch and a half inch. 5 rows with 12 colors each. Afterwards, I swatched them since I have no room for color names but can use for reference. I had a little goof while swatching them, got the 4th and 5th row mixed up, so I just cut that out and pasted it on another sheet of cardboard. Now for the sketchbook. I like using all sorts of mediums, and surprisingly none of my many sketchbooks were suited to accommodate them all. Instead, I cleaned up an empty old planner binder, took a sheet of each of my drawing pads, cut them into sketchbook-sized sheets, hole punched them, and placed inside my binder. Drawing paper, gray, black, watercolor, and the like. And there we have it, just some DIY travel supplies for the mixed media artist. Let me know if you have any travel art tips and ideas, as this is the first time I'm ever traveling solo. Thanks for watching.